everyone, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I am happy to introduce you to the Big John duffel bag. This is a nice squishy large duffel bag. This one here I made for my son and his choices of fabrics. He wanted an all vinyl version. You can get it in canvases, you can get it in cottons, you can get it in vinyls, or you can get a mixture of whatever you like. Some of the features of this bag, the handles and the crossbody strap are done with seatbelt webbing. It has a padded shoulder strap. It has a Velcro handle holder to keep them together. On the inside, it is very, very, very roomy. It's so hard to show this because this bag is so big. It has a zipper pocket on one side. It would be very easy to add in slip pockets if you would like slip pockets. On each of the sides, it has slip pockets on both sides, as well as a zip around pocket on each side. And on the front, we have a slip pocket, as well as another zipper pocket. There are so many pockets in this bag. Now, this bag comes in 3 sizes. This is the largest size. So yeah, there's a small, medium, and a large. So yeah, if you would like to order one of these in your choices of fabrics and hardwares, you know what to do. All my information is down below. And if you're part of my bag makers community, I have a tutorial on this one. If it's not up yet, it will be shortly. Anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.